Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on a Mazda CX-5 key fob. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2025 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR2025 battery. Now, take your new CR2025 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test all the functions of your key fob to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.